Hey y'all, good morning. I'm making some crispy potatoes, sausage, toast, and I'm getting ready to make some omelet rolls with cheese. I haven't showed y'all the back of the pool in a while. Look how gorgeous everything grew in. So beautiful. I'm trying to get this section back in order after we moved everything for the hurricane. I still need to hang that sign up back there. This side, I need to wash everything down, take everything off the carts, clean it, get it ready for cooking again. I'm excited about that. Getting some toast. Getting all toasty. These are almost done. Sausage is done. I'm gonna go ahead and get these off. Toast is ready. The potatoes are done. Get those onto the plate. Those came out really crispy. I boiled these for about 10 minutes before I put them on the grill with a little bit of olive oil, butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And you just let it roll to the back. Just like that. With a little bit of butter. Get some cheese on there. You're going to let that cook on medium-low for about a minute. Now you're going to start rolling this up. Come on. We're going to let that cook for another 30 seconds and take it off. Time for that one to come off. Mine's up next, and this is the one with the pesto in it. This one smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and get my cheese on and let that cook just for a minute. Time to roll this one up. So just be very gentle with it. If you feel like it's not cooked enough, just let it be for another 30 seconds or so. But it only takes like a minute. Come on. It's ready to come off. I put some fresh fruit and a little bit of hot sauce on the omelets. OMG. Y'all come eat.